अभी टच में है। इनका फोटो सेशन चल रहा है। पार्किंग में स्ट्रगल कर।
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm entertaining what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, 'cause you've been spinning my head around.
कैसा लग रहा है? फोटो सेशन चल रहा है।
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, darker spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike, and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing.
तू ये कर, वो वाला वो। देखो एकदम, और ये जा रही है इसके गाँव, और हम इसको छोड़ने आए स्कूटी से।